Working hard to make people happy is our first priority. Sharing the praise when someone takes the time to appreciate our efforts is a luxury. Here's what one person had to say. It's obvious that great experiences like this always make us smile. Knowing that everyone is happy is our strongest motivation. We believe that our future success comes from our success today, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services sometime soon. So if you're after great service that'll cater to your needs, let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star rating. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more information, please contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to talking to you.